to make my mask look bomb, but my butterflies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and today I'm be looking up at myself and at y'all because you know what, today I'm gonna challenge myself to look directly at the lens and not at the screen. It's hella hard. Maybe I should just flip the screen down, but I'm gonna need to show y'all products, so I'm gonna have to look up there. I'm sorry, but today guys, I'm back with my final October Ipsy bag reveal. It was so fun while it lasted. This year with Ipsy has been a journey. I mean, I spent about $120. Well, this month they actually charged me $13, so I spent about over $120 with this company, but it was so worth it, y'all. I got so many makeup brushes, so many lip glosses, so many bronzers, highlighters, and just new fun things that I wouldn't go in the store and buy myself. So I'm really happy that I invested my money and my energy into purchasing from Ipsy and into just the company itself, you know. I can't believe this is it for Ipsy. Like, I started this Ipsy journey last year November, so this really concludes a year. I'm not gonna do November because I did November, so you know, I did all the months. I experienced all the months. So I'm bringing y'all into my self-care Sunday routine, and just bringing y'all into how I choose to unwind while doing my Ipsy video. I have my Aztec Healing Clay mask in my hair, and I also have it on my face, and we're gonna just unwind and do this Ipsy unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, and to subscribe to my channel. And before we get into this video, make sure y'all scroll down and click the bell notification so you get notified every time your girl posts a video. Let's get straight into this video, y'all. So here is our October Ipsy bag. Let me just show y'all first. Ipsy for sure did they thing with this Ipsy bag. I will never forget Ipsy due to the popping bags that they used to send me, that they've sent me in the past, and this one, me and my mother, we love Betty Boop. So this is beautiful. Like, I'm never gonna forget. Like, this is a statement piece. This is a statement piece. Once you see this hairline, them brows, and them eyes, you know automatically who this is. I asked my mom, I'm like, Mommy, who is this? She's like, Betty Boop. Like, how is she not gonna know, you know? So that bag is bomb. Let's get straight into the items. The first item that we have is this Murad Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. It's a 1.5 salicylic acid acne treatment. I don't know if I'm saying that 100% correct. This word is like, has always been a tongue twister for me. But yeah, so it's an acne cleanser. You guys know me, I don't use stuff like this on my skin like that because I stay the natural way. Like, the natural way has really worked for me. Like, I used to use stuff like this on my skin, and then when I graduated to just using natural products, that's when my skin decided to graduate up from always being broken out and just giving me problems to literally growing into problem-free skin. Smells like alcohol. Next product we have is this Betty Boop X Ipsy Collab Lip Gloss in Hotsy Totsy. First of all, let me unravel it, y'all, and let y'all know something real quick. So first of all, look at this. Let me put some on. Not a lot comes out. So first of all, This is so Betty Boop. Like, this pink glitter, this hot fuchsia pink, first of all, glittery gloss is so Betty Boop. And for them to do a collab with Ipsy makes Ipsy 100% just more bomb, because like, it's Betty Boop. Come on. The lip gloss is super cute. It is more, to me, it feels more moisturizing than glossy, but I love moisturizing glosses as well, so we can't go wrong with this one. And like I told y'all, the amount of glosses that have been added to my collection just due to Ipsy, I'm so grateful, because I'm a lip gloss girl. Like, I love lip gloss, so I'm forever grateful for that. And it smells really good. It smells like, I don't know, it smells really sweet. And I forgot to tell you, it's in the shade Hearts. Wait, I'm sorry, it's in the shade Hotsy Totsy, like I told y'all. But on the bottom it doesn't say that, it says Hearts. I don't know, try Hearts or Hotsy Totsy. My camera's gonna die. Oh my god, we gotta keep going. All right, third item we have is this Kaylatv Cosmetics Diamond Folds eyeshadow in Paradiso. That's the boxing. My camera's about to die. I'm so scary. I have another battery charge up, but like, I don't feel like going to get that right now. Like, this is my self-care Sunday. I'm trying to relax, okay? This is a beautiful color, and it has a unique scent to it as well. I don't know what that smells like, but it smells like something very familiar, but I like it. The fourth item we have would be this Nomad Cosmetics Sydney Batters Kiss of Sun highlighter in Balmoral Beach. That's the boxing. You guys know I love highlighters. I love to shine. I love glitter. Who doesn't love glitter? Like, you know, I love glitter and I love to shine. Oh my god, I don't want to rip the box, but I already did. Come on. This camera got me stressed out right now. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful. Our fifth item that we have that I was gonna wear for this video, but I decided to do this on my self-care day, so I'm doing this mask instead, is the Panda Eye Brightening Mask by the brand SOAE or SOA, and I can't wait. And so I know y'all got a view of the mask. My camera died like I told you I was going to, but let me show you again. It's a brightening mask and it hydrates and soothes dark circles and tired eyes, making you look like a panda. Hydrogel eye mask and a cute panda print to brighten and revitalize eyes. I cannot wait to use this. If you guys know me, or if you're tuned into my channel, you would know that I'll keep on looking at the TV. I'm sorry, I'm very easily distracted. But if you know me, you would know that I love face masks, hair masks, deep conditioners, body scrubs. Like, I'm all into self-care. Like, I love things that just make me feel good and that just, you know, make me take my mind off the world and put me in my own place. Like, I love feeling like I'm at the spa, basically. Like, if you could attest to that, if you're a female and you love, or a male, and you love to take care of yourself, you love to look clean, you love to smell good, you love to feel like you're at the spa when you're really at home because you're just not trying to spend all that money, but you still want to feel good and just, you know, take care of yourself, take care of your body, take care of your mental, and just feel good, comment some butterflies down below. Yeah, I know I'm the butterfly queen. I love my butterflies, so I'm never gonna stop saying comment butterflies. Comment some butterflies down below if you love to take care of yourself, you know, and comment down below self-care gang if you love to take care of yourself. And if you're just into if you're just in tune with yourself, because I'm very in tune with myself, like I'm my own best friend. Like me, we're here. So if you're like that, it would be nice to know if other people feel like that about themselves too. Like if you just want to build yourself up into being the highest version of yourself. Like, and today's my self-care day, so I'm gonna make sure that I journal, get out all my feelings on some paper, because that's something that I take a lot of pride in doing. I love to journal, I love to write, and just get my feelings out onto some paper. So if you're into that too, let me know. Like DM me, we could talk, you know, I don't bite. But yeah, everybody deserves a self-care day. It doesn't have to be on Sunday. Sunday is just the day that, you know, it's the easiest, because most people are off on Sundays. So, you know, but at least once a week. I say doing more than one day a week. Every day you should be doing something to cater to yourself and your needs, but at least once a week, dedicate that day to yourself, where you just soak your feet, you just lay back and just, you know, like just get in tune with your thoughts, your feelings, and just, you know, with yourself. I love you guys so much for tuning into this video. Thank you to all my supporters, all my loved ones, all my friends and family, and my new friends and family, and my new supporters. I want to shout out to y'all for, you know, coming through to the Kaylatv family and subscribing and becoming a part of the Cold Click. I really appreciate everybody that truly supports me. Like, I see it coming in, I see the support. I don't want y'all to feel like I don't, because I'm so grateful. Like, I was just looking at my phone the other day and showing my mom that I think it was either last year that I only had 15 subscribers, and this year I have more than 100 subscribers, which was my milestone. Like, I wanted to reach 100 subscribers, and I'm just so grateful. Like, God is so good. Hard work and dedication really pays off. I'm so thankful for all of you, because without you, you know, my channel, I wouldn't be talking to anybody. Like, I would still be doing it. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I would still be doing this, because like I be telling you all the time, this for me. Like, I'm literally documenting my life for me, but at the same time, I'm doing it for y'all too. I'm doing it to influence people. I'm doing it to inspire and motivate somebody, even if it's one person. I'm trying to reach someone. So yeah, I'm really grateful for y'all. Like, for real, I'm really grateful for y'all. I love y'all so much, and I just want y'all to know, I just want to tell y'all to take care of yourselves. Like, no matter what, take care of yourself, take care of your mental, take care of your mind, take care of your body. Like, you only have one body. It's only one of you. Cherish yourself, love yourself, embrace who you are, walk like you that every single day you step out the house. And this is a note to me too. Like, I'm not just only talking to you, I'm talking to myself as well. This is a reminder to me. Walk like you that every single day you step out your house. Every single day you wake up. I always do feel like that when I wake up though. I'm always happy and grateful to God. But when you step out your house, just, you should always feel like you are the best person in the world, because you are. There's only one of you. Like, you should be happy to know there's literally only one of you. And this world, this universe, there will only be one of you. They only get to experience a one of you. So be the best you that you can be. Every day work towards being a better version of yourself, and take care of your mental, because if your mental's not right, nothing will be right. How you gonna win if you ain't right within? And that's how you gonna win if you ain't right within. Like, take care of yourself, take care of up here. That matters the most. That's in dedication to National Mental Health Day, which was the 10th of October. So I love y'all so much. Stay blessed, y'all. Stay prayed up, and have a blessed, positive day.